In front of me is OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, then click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. When you're ready, download this free app from Mad Scientist developer and choose Open. From this screen here, you need to tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then select Settings and tap on I accept in the pop-up. From here, you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to, and when you're finished, click at the top right corner. Now set up bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Over here, you need to click on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner. Pick one of those options, I will go with home screen only, and go back. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!